How to get image ID in Roblox or copy Decal ID. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get image ID on Roblox. So then to begin with, check your internet connection, open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar type in roblox.com and log in into your Roblox account. Logged into your Roblox account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, go ahead and tap on create right on top. After you tap on create, once again on the left hand side tab you can see multiple options, so click on dashboard. As soon as you click on the dashboard page, it's going to take you to the creation page here. Now while you're on this page, go ahead and tap on marketplace from the top right hand side corner. After that, you'll be able to see the models available on marketplace, so you can go through each one of it and select the particular item that you wish to copy the image for. Once you've done that, you can see right on top there's the URL, so you can see this particular number or the asset slash this particular number is your image ID. So you need to copy it in and paste it on the Roblox model. So that is how you can get image ID in Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.